grass. It turns a house into a home and connects our modern lifestyles back to nature again. But it's usually more brown than green, and maintaining it is challenging at best with British Columbia's climate. Like the saying goes, the grass is always greener on the other side. In our case, the other side is a superior, durable, little to no maintenance, long-lasting alternative. Premium Grass Blades artificial turf is developed by a team of seasoned experts. We offer artificial turf to DIY homeowner, landscaper, and commercial properties. Don't want to pick up a shovel? We can connect you with one of our hand-picked landscapers who will do all the work for you, reviving your outdoor area, connecting you to a picture-perfect design in a spotless space. The landscapers will efficiently remove all existing turf and dig out the soil, aligning all grass seamlessly. No one will suspect it's not real, and you'll be the star of your neighborhood. Ready for your artificial turf installation? Contact our friendly team today. Premium Grass Blades. Innovative, attractive. The affordable solution is closer than you think.